Hey everyone, and welcome. Tonight, we're talking about something special: cooking dinner together after a long day. There's a unique magic in sharing a meal, especially after a challenging day. It's about more than just food, it's about connection, comfort, and creating memories. Imagine this: the sun sets, you've both had a tough day, and the idea of cooking seems daunting. But you decide to do it together. First, the planning. What sounds good? Consider each other's preferences. Quick and easy, or something more elaborate. Maybe a simple pasta, tacos, or a hearty soup. Next comes the grocery shopping. This is a chance to start the fun. Choose fresh ingredients, maybe a new spice, to try and enjoy the process together. Back home, the cooking begins. One chops veggies, the other stirs the sauce. Music plays in the background, filling the kitchen with good vibes. There's laughter, maybe a little friendly competition, and definitely teamwork. The aroma of cooking food fills the air, promising warmth and satisfaction. As you cook, the stresses of the day start to fade. Talking, sharing, and simply being together. Finally, dinner is ready. You set the table, light some candles, and pour yourselves a drink. It's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. The first bite is always the best. That perfect meal, made with love, tastes even better. Because you made it together. The conversation flows. You talk about the day, dreams, and everything in between. The shared meal becomes a time for connection. It's an opportunity to rebuild and recharge. This simple act of cooking and eating together can be incredibly powerful. It's a reminder to slow down, appreciate each other, and create a sense of togetherness. So, next time you've both had a long day, consider cooking dinner together. It's a small act that can make a big difference.